your kindness and your grace, a true light in the darkness, a smile on every face. May your journey ahead be bright.
Okay, I just got back from doing my walk, my exercise. I've already got my crock pots lined with the liners, crock pot liners. I've already cut up 2 boxes of this cheese dip. I just buy the Great Value brand of like the Velveeta, and I put it in this crock pot. Now I'm going to cut up the remaining 2 boxes and put it in this crock pot, because this is what we're doing cheese dip to take over to the kids' 16th birthday party. So after I cut up the cheese and get that put in the crock pot, then I'm going to add the rotel. Now on the rotel, of course, I buy the Great Value brand. I don't buy the name brand, you know, and I do 2 cans per crock pot. Then later on, I'm going to be frying up some deer burger, and putting the deer burger in there as well. So I'll probably put about a pound per crock pot. So let's get finished on putting all of the cheese in this crock pot. We'll turn it on low, and then we're gonna let it go. I just do it in slices and just lay it in there. Okay, now we're going to add the rotel. Okay, now I'm going to add the rotel. I'm just going to pour it over the cheese. And I'm not even going to worry about stirring any of this up. We'll take care of that when we come back after a while. So we got to go dig potatoes. And cover it. Turn it on low, and we're done. Now I'm just going to finish up this other one and then head on out the door.
Okay, boys, I didn't even get to see y'all. Go do it again. Oh! Hey, that happened to Hope and Dalton. They come out. Did you know it? That girl and Hope did the same thing. Oh!
Hang on.
Hey, some of those kids has been, you know that one that you run?
For another 30 minutes.
Did you tell Dalton what his friend did?
Oh. There he is holding that baby. Yeah.
Your favorite did.
Whatever. That's why I thought I did it. Cause
Your favorite did.
That's why I thought it was me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Hope and Dalton. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles! Yeah! I think they're already out. Here, let me blow out just one.
Why don't we just blow out the same one, Dalton? Get a picture, Mom.
The wind's blowing. The wind's blowing.
All right.
Oh, that one is.
Oh, look at that. You did it.
I mean, I don't care to do it. Are you doing this? I didn't know you land in a pool of water. I know, that's why I don't want to look it up.
Yeah, you do.
Should I do that one first? I feel like you need to be wet. You'll go. But I'm afraid you get really wet. I'll jump. Do you think I'll flip out? I mean, if I do, I do. I do. Maybe I won't.
This is fun!
Wait, I'm no.
It's not scary, it's fun.
Hey, go.
Hey, no, go back
You gotta
out.
get in line, buddy.
My turn.
Go out.
Did you jump?
Yep, she did. She jumped.
Oh, that's good.
Hey, my turn. Hey, make sure you like sit down when you're
Now you jump. Now you jump.
Now you have to jump.
Did you take your swimming? Yes.
Hey, this is my turn.
We'll have to put more water in the pool.
Probably.
Mama! Mama!
Fun, ain't it, Amanda? It's not bad, is it?
It takes your swimming.
It was fun to me. It wasn't bad.
Hey, go play up! Go play up!
Emily and Amanda. Emily, Amanda didn't even make it to the end.
I didn't run past
Hope and Dalton.
Come on!
Woo! Good job, guys. Yeah, you're the winner. You're the winner. Amanda, you still ain't going fast enough, are you? Oh no! Cut! Wait! Your mama, she's the winner.
I want to race you in.
Alright, Nana can't do it. Woo!
I can't make it to the end, man.
I know I won.
No, that didn't work.
What was y'all trying to do?
I jumped. I might not have jumped soon.
Wait, what did he talk?
It was a tie. He beat you, Emily. I thought I was fixing to get run over. Look, coming there. Papa's got that baby girl.
He ain't got her to eat, is it?
I don't know. I don't.
She didn't eat it.
She's getting hungry.
I think.
Woo! Go, Drew! Go!
He's what?
He's a one. Some big cutting there. Huh? Some big cutting there. Boys.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
Go to. We're gonna go.
No, yesterday.
Today.
That's what I feel. Uh-oh, there they go. Oh, man.
I can't.
Woo! Goodness. Oh, wow.
Ooh, they're going to the moon.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Wanna know something?
What?
Use that as a thing to put on your TV.
Yep, that was pretty, wasn't it?
For your next year, for July.
Yep, that was,
That's a heck of a show, Ben.
yes.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, y'all did great. That was awesome.
This ring is really, really hot. It's really, really hard.
Hold on, I think we can get one now.
Hey, you better check on
It's
your
really, really clear.
That was a good show, Drew. Yeah, he got all skinned up on that thing.
Yeah.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Check on Tank, too.
We need to get Mama, look, she'll say that. Mama, can I spend the night with her?
What'd she say?
She said, oh, I will.
See, she didn't say no. Don't push it. It's swinging. Yeah. Be careful around that fire.
Play the Coke with me real quick. You got your
Oh, here y'all
There
think.
you go. Get on down there. Cover up those wheels.
Happy Marion. You want me to cook that marshmallow? There you go. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. What do you want to see? You want to see the lights?
Everybody's packing up and leaving. The fireworks show, the party, the celebration of these 2016 is over. It was a wonderful night.
It was like.
Oh my, he does. You're always in the pool.
Yard, it was like 85 bucks. Then I had them delivered in the 2 yard. It was like 320.
Yeah, she's still got several teenagers here in the pool.
Daddy, he didn't get his towel out.
He said he did.
No.
Hey, y'all be careful around this, okay? Don't.
Hey, it ended up being a good party for us.
Bad. Go party, guys.
We had a wonderful time. But it's over. Time to go home. So, thank y'all for tuning in and helping us celebrate these kids on their 16th birthday. So we appreciate you clicking on this video. Come back again and see us. There they all are. Pick it up. Remember to give this video a like, share, subscribe before you leave tonight. But always come back. Be sure to introduce yourself in the comments. And take care, friends. We'll see you in the next one.